while hearing the matter today. Back to you.
Well, all right. In fact, now more breaking updates are also surfacing as the top court has said that Ranveer Allahbadia should join the investigation as and when summoned. The top court has also pulled up Ranveer Allahbadia, the YouTuber and the podcaster, for the remarks and said that why should the protection be granted to a person who has used such kind of a language that has hurt the society. Sambhav Sharma is joining me live on the broadcast. Sambhav, as in fact the Supreme Court has heard the case after dismissing it for the urgent hearing, what are the contents of the hearing that you are able to fetch so far? What is the decision by the bench of the top court that has pertained to these matter?
Well, the top court has granted interim protection to Ranveer Allahbadia from arrest on the premise that he will join the investigation and that full cooperation has to be given without any lawyer inside the police station. This is what is said by the bench headed by Justice Suryakant in the Supreme Court, and also the top court grilled Ranveer Allahbadia for his language, with the kind of remarks he made, and however, the Supreme Court said that Ranveer Allahbadia shall join the investigation as and when summoned, and the top court said arrest of petitioner under the Mumbai and Guwahati FIR shall be stayed under certain conditions, and the subject conditions are that he shall join the investigations as and when summoned, and that too without any lawyer inside the police station. This is what is said by the bench led by Justice Suryakant in the Supreme Court over this India Got Latent controversy and the kind of language used by Ranveer Allahbadia. And also, Justice Suryakant in an oral remark said, the words you have chosen, the parents will feel ashamed, daughters and sisters will feel ashamed, the entire society will be ashamed. And these are the levels of depravity you and your henchmen has gone. And also, very importantly, the bench said the rule of law and system has to be followed. In a half an hour long hearing in the top court over Ranveer Allahbadia controversy, the top court grilled Ranveer Allahbadia, and however, lastly stayed the FIRs and also the FIRs under Mumbai and Guwahati under certain conditions that he shall join the investigations, that too without lawyer in the police station.
All right, Sambhav, I request you to kindly stay on with us, as in fact more updates are also being tracked at this point of time. What we are given to understand so far is that Sambhav, there has been also concerns regarding the amount that has been rewarded by the people who have issued threatening calls to Ranveer Allahbadia. The arrest of petitioner under the Mumbai and Guwahati FIRs has also been stayed, subjected to condition, while the bench has also mentioned that Ranveer Allahbadia should join the investigation as and when summoned, and the interim protection from arrest is granted on the premise that full cooperation has to be given without any lawyer inside the police station. All right, Sambhav, thank you very much for sharing these details, as in fact the hearing is underway. There has been a big decision by the top court in the Ranveer Allahbadia case. Now,